Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2015 Nissan Juke. So from any screen, you've got nav there and you've got map. If you just want to see where you're going, which I do quite often if I don't know the area and I'm not in a particular hurry to get anywhere, I just click on map and I can see any bends coming up. So that's great. But you've got nav there, click on nav. New address, postcode city. It's already got our postcode in, but I'll put it in again. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston, P. We now need to go on to numbers. So numbers are up here. 1, 2, 3, ABC. We'll click there. Michael Jackson record. 5, 4. It's gone defaulted back to the alphabet. E. A. PR5 4EA. Yes. Click OK. Calculating fastest route.
Make a U-turn if possible.
That's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.